everyone. So today we will discuss a very important thing, that is how can you actually connect meta ads with the Claude. Yeah, you have heard it right, that how can you completely automate your meta ads with the help of a Claude AI. As you already know, Claude is a kind of a AI tool just like a chat GPT. Okay, so how can you automate meta ads with the help of the Claude AI? You can easily create, optimize, and scale Facebook and Instagram campaigns just by using the AI. You don't need any coding, no MCP. So this video is very helpful, so please make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, let me just give you the overview. What are the things that we will be covering in this video? Why automate meta ads? The case of AI driven advertising. Okay, so why we actually need to automate meta ads? We will be discussing that. Then second one is a Claude AI plus super matrices. So you might be thinking, what is super matrices? So it's a kind of a connector that we will be completely setting up in your Claude. Okay, I will be showing you some screenshots so you will get the better idea. Okay, then build your first campaign. So today I will help you to build your first ad campaign, and you don't need to go to the meta ads library. You have to just do all the things with your Claude itself. Okay, then best practices and limitations, then live demo and takeaways. So I hope you get the whole roadmap. What are the things that we will be covering in this video? Okay, so without wasting the time, let's go ahead. Okay, so these are the screenshots that I have just given you. You have to go to your Claude and you have to click on the skills. Okay, then you will see some tools just here. I have just mentioned you. Just wait. Here it is. Super matrices marketing analysis. So you have to connect it. Okay. After doing that, you have to allow all these permissions and all that. Okay. So after doing this thing, it will show some permission. Here I have just given you. So here what you have to do, just let me give you the brief. You have, like, it will ask the permission basically, that you have to connect to your Facebook ads. So you have to do this, like it's a very mandatory step, because Claude have to take some of your data, then only it will start creating the campaign. So you have to allow the things, and you have to completely click on the start. Okay, so this is how the things is working. You have to search this thing. This is very important. So if you want to take a screenshot, if you want to take super matrices marketing analysis, okay, you have to connect it. Simple. After that, what are the things you have to add? Again, you have to give the campaign name, product, services, because see, you have to give the lot of data to that. So here I have given the traffic, okay, campaign name, product or services name, and a brief description. Okay, so I have told that take a reference URL of my landing page below, as I mentioned. So you can also give your landing page if you have, right? So this is how the whole things will work. This is just for the idea that I have given you. Okay, without wasting time, let's go ahead. So the problem when you come, like, campaign creation is slow, as you already know. Again, I don't want to give the things, because see, imagine you are running ads for multiple clients, and every time you have to repeat the same process, right? First open your ad manager, then create a campaign, create an ad set, choose audience, set budgets, and write ad copy, upload creatives, and many more other things you have to do. But even if you are experienced, then this process easy takes only 20 to 40 minutes for one campaign. Okay, now imagine doing this, you know doing this for 10 times every day. That's several hours spent doing repetitive tasks. This is exactly the problem AI is trying to solve here. I hope you got my point. So now you can easily automate this thing. Okay, so I hope you got the point. So in the whole slide I have completely talk about that it is taking too much time by doing or set up an campaign, right? If you are trying to manually set up, then it will take a lot of time. Okay, and it's a very slow process. But after connecting it with the Claude, it, like, you can save your lot of time, and you can use your time in some else work. Okay, now the AI solution, describe it, Claude will build it. Okay, so now we are at a point where I will be telling that how can you actually connect it with your Claude. Okay, now just imagine a like completely different workflow. Instead of clicking through dozens of settings, now you simply type one prompt. Just for the example, okay, Create a sales campaign for my fitness brand targeting women ages 25 to 40 in the USA. That's it. Claude actually understand your goal. It will, automatically creates campaigns, ads that target audience, budget structure, headlines, primary text, and many more other things. So everything, gets prepared automatically. So instead of manually creating the campaigns, you simply describe what you actually want, and the Claude will do for you. Don't you think it's a very crazy? It will save a lot of your times. So I think you should definitely try this thing. Okay, so let's go ahead how it works. Actually, let's understand this thing. Okay, so let's understand what happening behind the scene. Okay, so there are four steps you have to completely understand. First of all, you write a prompt inside Claude AI that you will be doing. And second, Claude understand your business objective. Simple. Then third one is Claude actually sends the structured campaign information to Supermetrics. So Supermetrics is kind of a connector which I have just told you. You have to completely add in your Claude. Okay, it simply connects Claude with Meta Ads APIs. Okay, and finally, Meta receives all the campaign settings and creates your campaign automatically. So you can think it of like this: you Claude AI, then super matrices, or and add like Meta ads. This is a kind of a workflow that it will go. So Claude becomes your intelligent campaign manager here. So I think this is the best thing that like Claude has just launched. Okay, let's go ahead. I hope you understand the whole thing how it actually works. Tools you will need. What are the tools that you will be needing? Just let me give you a brief. So to make this work, we just only need the four tools. The first is of course Claude AI itself. Second one is the super matrices that you will be connecting through the Claude AI itself. Then third one is a Meta ad account. This is very mandatory, and Facebook account. These two last two are very mandatory because if you don't have the Meta ads account and Facebook ads account, then again you can't run the ads. This is a very basic thing, right? For like running any ads, you need both this thing. Then only you will run any ads. Okay. Again, Facebook is needed for authentication, of course, because Meta ads runs through Facebook Business Manager itself. Okay. So yeah, this is all about the tools that you will need. Step by step setup, just how you have to do it. So I have given you the step by step process. Okay, so you can take a screenshot if you want to take, and you can go and you can completely try this thing. First of all, you have to log into simple Facebook. Okay, Facebook Business Manager. Step two is all about just simply open the Claude AI. Step three is go to the connectors. Step four is install the Supermetrics connector. Okay. Step five is authorize your Facebook account. Once permission is granted, Claude is now connected with your Meta Ads account. The entire setup usually take less than 10 minutes. So can you believe like within the 10 minutes you will actually create a ad? Okay, so I can say like launching that is very easy right now, but you should know which AI tools you have to use, and Claude is a very best choice for you. Okay, because it will save a lot of your time. So this is a whole step-by-step process or a setup that you should know. Okay, I hope you got the point. Let's go ahead. Creating your first AI campaign. So let's understand this thing. How can you create your own AI campaign? Okay, or I can say normal campaign. So see, the prompt can be very simple also. For example, create a meta sales campaign for my business. But Claude like doesn't immediately create the campaign. Instead, it start telling questions, or I can say asking the question. So first, it will ask the questions like, what is your campaign objectives? Then you have to select it, maybe sales, traffic, or leads. It can be anything. What is your daily budgets? Who is your target audience? Age, gender, location. What's your landing page? So these are the information that the Claude is taking from you, or I can say Claude is collecting a lot of information from you so that it will work very best. So it will automatically build a complete campaign. So I think this is a very best thing because you have to just give some basic things like who is your audience and all that, and it will create your own campaign. Okay, so I think this is a best thing that the Claude has given. Okay, now what Claude can automate? Let's understand this thing. What are the things that Claudes can actually automate? Many people, thinks Claude only writes ad copy. Actually, it can automate much more also. It creates campaign structure, ad sets, audience targeting, budget setting, performance goals, headlines, description, creative variation, lot of other things it will do. everything that normally takes 30 minutes can be prepared in just a few minutes. That's the beauty of this feature that Claude has given, the connector feature. Okay. So I hope you got the point of like what actually Claude can automate. Okay. It will automate campaign and structure, targeting, budget and goals, and ad copy. Okay. Let's go ahead. Advanced prompt engineering, better prompts equal to better campaign. Okay, now let's understand some advanced prompt engineering tricks. Okay, so see, what I think is the quality of the Claude's output depends on the prompt that you are giving. Let's compare. A bad prompt is simply, I can say, create a meta campaign. Again, Claude doesn't know what exactly you want. Okay, now look at this detail prompt. Like just create one campaign, three ad set, four ad in each different audience. Then you have to select the location as India, traffic objective, 2000 rupees daily budget. Now you can just think Claude has enough information right now to just create a much better campaign. So remember this rule at every time. The more specific your prompt, the better your campaign. Just fit in your mind because this is very important. The better prompt that you will give, the better campaign it will give to you. Okay. I hope you got the point how you have to give the prompt. Okay. So yeah, this is all about the whole thing. Okay. So I have covered all these things to you. Okay. So at the end, I want to tell you one thing is that again, this whole thing is helpful only when you will start doing the things. That means you have to go and you have to use your Claude right now. You have to connect with the super matrices which I have told you. So at the end, it's all about practical itself. Okay, I have just given you that these are the things that you have to do, and these are all things. Okay, you have to do. So I hope you got the value, and if you like the content, then just do like, and you can comment your thought and which type of videos do you want. Just let me know in the comments so that we will make videos on that particular topic. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So see you in the next video. Till then, if you have any question, then you can completely ask in the comment section. Okay. Yeah. See you in the next video.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.